Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And we're going to be doing a test drive today. We're going to be taking off in this 1964 Pontiac LeMans. It's got GTO all over it, but without paperwork. I can't say that. So we're calling it a LeMans today with a 389. Does have power steering, nice quiet motor. What we like to do up here is take off down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're coming to buy. Also have a walk around video I just did on this car. Definitely check it out if you're interested in purchasing. We have financing available along with shipping at maplemotors.com. Last but not least, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Woo! And Dad just kicked it in the Chevelle, so I should have got that on video. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. This interior in this car looks awesome, guys. It's definitely nice and clean. Front seat, back seat, headliner. And go ahead and take a guess. Do you think the horn works on this one? We're gonna let y'all play that out for a little bit. This thing starts right up. Radio does work. Water temperature's coming up. It's at 180. It works. Oil pressure works. Blower motor works. It's weak, but it works. RPM, tachometer works. 26,000 miles is what it's showing. You know I can't stand behind a 64 like that. Windshield wipers works. Horn. Hold up. It works. Let's hit the road. We're gonna take off down the road here. Grab my seatbelt, because this one has it. Anything I see that this car may need, I will let you know. Sorry, I'm all sweaty and my hair's all screwed up. I'm supposed to get a haircut. Probably look goofy, but it doesn't matter. The shifter is a little bit stiff on here, so you gotta push down on everything. It's all kind of loose. If you just push down on the whole thing, it works perfect. Like I said in the beginning, anything that I see it needs, I will let you know. The brakes are very sensitive right now. Get my AC going. Woo! That's that pant leg AC. Tell you what, this car's real smooth going down the road. The suspension feels nice and smooth. It's going straight line. As soon as I turn, it turns. Nice tight steering. Woo! That kickdown's hooked up, guys. Gas gauge is floating around. It is working. Brakes. Oh yeah, if I stood on them, it'd just lock them up. They feel good. Forgot my sweat towel I usually bring with me. That would have been nice today. It just got done pouring down rain, so it's just all humid and stuff. Turn signals popping up on the dash here. So far so good. Everything's working, runs and drives good. Nice and smooth. It's a great running car here. I'm here to beat the rain today. Now that we got some air circulating in here, starting to feel good. So when I do these videos, I leave all the windows up all the way around except for these two. It's kind of hot in the middle of summer, I can tell you. It's good for me. I'm gonna pull up in this parking lot here, use some of my attachments to get y'all some outside shots, and we're gonna hit the road again. Let's get it. All right, hopefully this sets y'all up good enough where y'all can see around the car. We've been rolling around this parking lot. Oil pressure's at 30, engine temperature's at 200. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's exactly what it's at. Let's get to rolling again. Try not to touch the camera and make too much noise here. By the way, guys, the speedometer's coming up on this. It's something that I missed right off the bat. I was impressed with how smooth the car was. So just checking everything out real good. Up on the road where there's a pretty decent bump in the middle of it, and you listen for rattles in the car, kind of focus on the camera and see how much we're bouncing around, kind of gives you an idea on the suspension. This one's awesome, so you probably won't even notice it. Our friends over at Jody's Garage. Here's the bump right here. Here's a little bit of rattling coming from the trunk. That's because there's a jack and a spare back there. Other than that, I bet y'all didn't even see it move. All right. We're gonna turn off in the lot here, call it a day on the LeMans, and take out that Pro Street Nova. Should be a good test drive. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. Also check out maplemotors.com, close to 100 detailed pictures inside, out, and underneath of all of our cars. You can also get financed and shipping information all on that website, as well as all of our inventory. We update every Monday, try to keep y'all informed. Let's say we run about 40 to 60 cars a month through this lot. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again. All right, I just got real nice and curious because This thing runs and drives so good. Let's see here. There's no sheet. What? Somebody's already took it up. Well, we tried.